Officer Oil here with Mike, the owner of Paradise Landscape and Hardscape. Mike, how long have you been running Amsoil?
Been running Amsoil for 10 years now.
10 years. And what was that one product that you started with that kind of piqued your interest when we first started talking?
100% the Sabre two-stroke mix.
All right, so you were having, and I remember this vividly, but tell me, you were having some issues prior to upgrading to Amsoil, is that right?
Absolutely. Yeah, we were having lots of carburetor problems, whether that be string trimmers, blowers. Every 3 to 6 months, it was just always gumming up. And that was from the two-stroke oil that we were using before. And as soon as we switched to Sabre, literally all our problems disappeared.
Outstanding, and that's helped your business, save you time, save you money, be more competitive in pricing with your clients?
Absolutely. Less downtime, less time in the shop, more time for us to be out in the field, less money repairing stuff. Basically, pass their savings right along to the customer.
Great, great. Well, outstanding. So, Mike, thanks a lot for all of you out there looking for great quality landscape, hardscape services here in the Central Maryland area. Please reach out here to Paradise Landscape and tell them Officer Oil says hi.